What's up guys, it's Asia and welcome to my channel. Here I create resourceful video series that help you look good, smell good, and follow Jesus. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how to maintain your silk press using these pink little rollers that I got from Amazon. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be using a mannequin to show you guys how to install these. You're going to take a small section in a hydrating oil, something that's lightweight and won't weigh your hair down, like this ORX coconut oil is perfect. And then you're going to start rolling your hair from the ends all the way up to the root, making sure to have slight tension as you're rolling upward. Now these rods do slip a little bit, so don't worry about it if you wake up and they've slipped a little bit from the root. When you take your rods down, it'll still turn out cute. Now let's get into the styling and the takedown. Now I like to use 2 bonnets on my hair to be safe and make sure that everything stays into place. These rollers are actually really comfortable to sleep in. The only issue that I've had with this is that being pregnant, I do sometimes get hot flashes, and so I would kind of sweat on my neck, which would cause like the back of my hair to revert a little bit, but it wasn't anything detrimental. I still was able to maintain my hair for 4 weeks using this method. Taking these rollers out is pretty easy and self-explanatory. You're just going to remove them all, making sure to do it in the direction of the curl. Like, it's so easy, y'all. Quick pause for the body and the shine. Okay, so this is the part that I'm talking about. As you can see, the roots of my hair are reverted a bit, so bear in mind if your hair gets wet or anything like that, these rollers are not going to save you. Of course, if you want to rock the Shirley Temple, you could stop here, but for me, I like to shake the curls out and make sure that everything flows seamlessly. So I shake my head to the side and use my fingers to loosen up the curls, and then after I've done one side, I'll flip my head to the opposite side and do the same thing. And then I kind of just go crazy. I just shake it everywhere and I rake my fingers through my hair to loosen up the curls. You could also use a comb, but I always just use my hands, and then you can add in additional oil if you would like to and just smooth the curls down. As the day continues, my curls always drop, so that's something else to keep in mind. But this is the finished product, and like I said, I get my hair to last for 4 weeks with this. So chime in down below and let me know if you're going to be giving these rollers a try. You can find a direct link to these in the description box. All right guys, I will catch you lovelies in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, and until next time.